Real estate is a popular investment, but it can be daunting. The market is vast, and the stakes are high. Many potential investors feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and the significant financial commitment required. This is where joint ventures come into play, offering a more accessible entry point into the world of real estate. Joint ventures offer a way to make it more accessible. By pooling resources, knowledge, and expertise, individuals can tackle projects that would be impossible to manage alone. This collaborative approach not only spreads the risk, but also maximizes the potential for success. A real estate joint venture, or JV, is a partnership where two or more parties combine resources to pursue a specific project. These resources can include capital, skills, and even property. The agreement outlines each party's contributions and responsibilities, ensuring that everyone is on the same page from the start. They share the profits, losses, and responsibilities. This means that both the rewards and the risks are distributed among the partners. It's a balanced approach that can lead to more sustainable and profitable ventures. Each partner brings something unique to the table, whether it's financial backing, industry knowledge, or hands-on skills. Imagine you want to renovate a house but lack the funds or experience. This is a common scenario for many aspiring real estate investors. The property might have great potential, but without the necessary resources, it remains just a dream. You could partner with someone who has the capital, and you bring your renovation skills. This way, both parties benefit. The investor gets a return on their investment, and you get the opportunity to showcase your expertise and potentially earn a profit. That's a joint venture in action. Joint ventures are temporary. They are designed to last only for the duration of the project. Once the goals are achieved, the partnership dissolves, and the profits are distributed according to the agreement. They dissolve once the project is complete. This temporary nature allows for flexibility and adaptability. Partners can move on to new projects, either together or separately, without long-term commitments. This could be anything from developing a new property to flipping a house. The scope of a joint venture can vary widely, depending on the goals and resources of the partners involved. It can be a small-scale renovation or a large-scale development project. The beauty of a JV lies in its flexibility. It can be tailored to fit the specific needs and objectives of the partners. Whether it's a short-term flip or a long-term development, a joint venture can be structured to accommodate various timelines and goals. It allows individuals with different strengths to come together and achieve a common goal. This collaborative effort often leads to innovative solutions and successful outcomes. By leveraging each other's strengths, partners can overcome challenges and create value that would be difficult to achieve alone. One of the most significant advantages of a real estate JV is the pooling of resources. Real estate projects often require substantial capital for property purchase, construction, or renovation. By joining forces, partners can access greater financial resources. This means bigger and better projects become achievable. Imagine trying to buy a multifamily apartment building on your own. It might seem impossible. But with a joint venture, you can combine your resources with other investors and make it a reality. Another significant benefit of JVs is the opportunity to leverage expertise. Perhaps you're a skilled contractor but lack marketing knowledge. You could partner with a real estate agent who excels in finding buyers. By combining your strengths, you create a well-rounded team. This access to diverse skill sets increases the chances of project success. It's like assembling a puzzle. Each partner brings a unique piece, and together, you complete the picture. Real estate investments come with inherent risks. Market fluctuations, unexpected construction costs, or changes in regulations can impact profitability. In a JV, these risks are distributed among partners. This shared responsibility lessens the financial burden on any one individual. It's like having a safety net. If one partner faces a setback, the others can help absorb the impact. Section 5. Finding the perfect partner. A step-by-step guide. Finding the right partner is crucial for a successful real estate JV. First, define your needs. What skills, resources, or experience are you missing? Next, attend real estate events, join online forums, and connect with professionals. Then, conduct background checks, research potential partners, review their track record, and seek references. Remember, compatibility is key. Look for partners who share your values, work ethic, and investment goals. Section 6. Due diligence investigating potential partners. This is a crucial step in ensuring the success of your joint venture. Before committing to a JV, thorough due diligence is essential. This process involves a comprehensive evaluation of your potential partner's background, capabilities, and reliability. This involves verifying experience. Confirm the partner's claimed experience in real estate. Look into their past projects, assess their success rates, and understand their approach to real estate investments. Also, check financial stability. Review their financial history, credit score, and ability to contribute. It's important to ensure that they have the financial capacity to support the venture and handle any unforeseen expenses. Additionally, examine their legal history. Conduct background checks to ensure they have no legal issues that could jeopardize the project. This includes checking for any past or ongoing lawsuits, regulatory issues, or other legal complications. Think of it like dating before marriage. Just as you would want to know everything about a potential life partner, you need to know everything about your business partner. Take your time to get to know the potential partner and ensure they are who they claim to be. Have multiple discussions, ask for references, and don't hesitate to dig deep into their professional and personal background. This thorough investigation will help you build a strong, trustworthy partnership that can withstand the challenges of the real estate market. Section 7. The importance of a well-defined agreement. A detailed written agreement is paramount for any real estate JV. This legal document should outline roles and responsibilities, clearly define each partner's tasks, contributions, and decision-making authority. It should also cover profit and loss sharing, establish a clear formula for how profits and losses will be distributed. Lastly, include dispute resolution. Agree on a process for resolving disagreements fairly and efficiently. This agreement protects all parties involved and minimizes the potential for misunderstandings or disputes. Section 8. Clear communication. The cornerstone of a successful JV. Open and transparent communication is crucial throughout the JV. Regular meetings, updates on progress, and prompt responses to concerns are essential. Honest and timely communication fosters trust and strengthens the partnership. Think of it like building a house. Communication is the foundation upon which a strong and lasting structure is built. Section 9. Case study, a real-world example of a successful JV. Let's say Sarah, a skilled property manager, wants to buy an apartment building. However, she lacks the capital for a down payment. She partners with John, an experienced investor with available funds. Sarah manages the property, handles renovations, and finds tenants. John provides the initial investment. They share profits according to their agreement. This is a win-win situation where both leverage their strengths. Section 10. Recap. The benefits of real estate joint ventures. Real estate JVs offer numerous benefits. Access to larger projects. Pooling resources allows tackling bigger and potentially more profitable ventures. Shared expertise. Partners leverage each other's strengths, increasing the chances of success. Risk mitigation. Sharing financial and operational burdens reduces individual risk. Remember, finding the right partner and establishing a clear agreement are key. Section 11. Conclusion. Taking the leap into real estate joint ventures. Real estate JVs can be a powerful tool for both new and experienced investors. They offer a unique opportunity to pool resources, share risks, and leverage the strengths of each partner involved. They provide a pathway to overcome financial barriers, access expertise, and mitigate risks. By carefully selecting partners, establishing clear agreements, and maintaining open communication, you can create a solid foundation for success. You can unlock the full potential of real estate joint ventures. Take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Consulting with experienced real estate advisors can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of joint ventures. Professional advice can be the difference between a successful venture and a costly mistake. It's essential to understand the market, the legal implications, and the financial commitments involved. The world of real estate investing awaits, filled with opportunities and challenges. Joint ventures can be your key to unlocking success, providing you with the means to achieve your investment goals. Whether you're looking to expand your portfolio, enter new markets, or simply share the burden of investment, real estate joint ventures offer a viable and often lucrative path forward. Embrace the journey and let joint ventures open the door to your real estate success.